Today in the technical corner here at MTDCNC we have Paul from Prima Tooling. So Paul, can you give us a bit of background on yourself and Prima Tooling?
Yeah, my name's Paul. I'm from Prima Tooling. I've been working at Prima Tooling since I was 17 years of age, and my partner in the company is exactly the same, and we now own the company, and we've been owners of the company for 15 years.
So what do you guys do at Prima Tooling?
We manufacture bespoke and standard PCD, carbide, tip tooling, solid carbide tooling for the metalworking, woodworking and composite industries.
So what have you brought with you today?
I've brought just a range of standard stock tools that we produce for everyday use, for companies that have got particular jobs they need to do quickly. They want something off the shelf. We hold on the shelf standard end mills, from corner rads to ball noses to flat end mills, for the metalworking and composite industries. But we also do woodworking tools, a variety of different styles, but mainly they're straight tools, but they're different configurations.
So tell me, what's the difference between two of the configurations you brought today?
Well, there's two that I've brought. The first one, which we call a 4-wing 2+2, which in effect is a two flute tool, and the third one, which is we call a 3-wing turbo. The 3-wing turbo just means it can go faster. It's still got the same characteristics of a compression style tool, but it just means it can go faster. So that's basically what it is.
So if people have got a lot of material they need to remove,
yes,
or if they're just skimming apart, you've got an end mill designed for
yes, that's right, and it's all down to cost as well. So obviously the 3-wing turbo has got more PCD in it, so it incurs costs, whereas the 4-wing 2+2 hasn't got as much, but it just will run a little bit slower. So,
and talk me through the stock tools you keep, because you don't just keep fully built tools. You have bodies ready to go.
We do, yes, and that's what I've brought here today. Is just an example. We actually pre-mill the bodies, so they've got no diamond in it. So when we get low on the stock, it's easy for us to just take out of basically a cupboard, and for us to tip up and to put through for the next lot of stock to take over.
So that must mean quick turnarounds as well for customers who need a tool quickly.
Yes, and sometimes we do get a run of a particular size and we've run out of stock, and it's so good for us to get the bodies out, and the customer will want one or two quickly. We can quickly tip it up and then it's out the door within the next day.
And I just want to get this clear over, is everything's made here in the UK?
It is, yes, we're completely British made.
Now that's different to a lot of other tooling manufacturers.
That's right, yes, and that's what we try to promote our company, because we are British made and we make everything in-house.
And you're also a family-run business, and where are you located?
We're in Essex, Brentwood.
So Paul, if anybody at home who's watched this has seen something they would like to know more information on, how can they get in contact with you?
Yeah, they can go online and look up primatooling.co.uk, and you'll see our phone number and email address on there, so it's easy for them to contact us.
Well, Paul, for me and everyone here at MTDCNC, thank you for your time today.
It's a pleasure.
It's been really interesting learning all about your company and your tooling.
Thank you. Cheers.